As we celebrate the first anniversary of the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, we honor this revolutionary instrument's remarkable achievements and the promise it holds for unveiling the mysteries of the universe. The JWST represents a monumental leap forward in space exploration and observational astronomy. Since its launch, this cutting-edge telescope has achieved significant milestones and showcased its incredible functionality, marking a new era in our quest to understand the cosmos. One of the most notable achievements of the JWST is its successful deployment and alignment of its primary mirror segments. This feat, which occurred shortly after its launch in December 2022, was a critical step toward ensuring the telescope's precision and capability to capture high-resolution images of celestial objects. The telescope's advanced technology and instrumentation have enabled it to peer deeper into space than ever before. Its suite of scientific instruments, including the near-infrared camera, NIRCam, near-infrared spectrograph, NIRSpec, mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, and fine guidance sensor, near-infrared imager, and slitless spectrograph, FGS NIRIS, empowers astronomers to observe the universe across various wavelengths with unprecedented clarity and sensitivity. Moreover, the JWST has already begun conducting a series of rigorous tests and calibration processes to ensure its instruments function optimally. These calibration efforts are crucial for producing accurate and reliable data that will fuel groundbreaking discoveries in astrophysics, cosmology, and planetary science. The telescope's primary mission objectives include studying the formation of galaxies, stars, and planetary systems, investigating the composition and atmospheres of exoplanets, and unraveling the mysteries surrounding the early universe's evolution. With its exceptional sensitivity to infrared light, the JWST is poised to uncover hidden cosmic phenomena, allowing astronomers to delve into uncharted territories and gain deeper insights into the fundamental questions about our universe's origins and evolution. Furthermore, the successful collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency in developing, launching, and operating the JWST highlights the significance of international cooperation in advancing scientific exploration beyond Earth. As we celebrate the JWST's first anniversary, we eagerly anticipate the groundbreaking discoveries and transformative insights that this remarkable telescope will continue to unveil in the years to come. Its unparalleled capabilities and potential for unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos make the James Webb Space Telescope a beacon of scientific excellence and a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge about our universe.